Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Let's learn some colors name. Sky blue color, black color, pink color, brown color, violet color, green color, red color, blue color. Now let's learn alphabets. A for apple. A B B L E apple. A for apple. B for ball. B A L ball. C for cat. C A T cat. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. E G egg. F for fish. F I S H fish. G for gold. G O L D gold. H for house. H O U S E house. I for eyes. I C E eyes. Now let's revise again. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. F for fish. G for gold. H for house. I for eyes.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll
J. J for jug. J U G, jug. K. K for kite. K I T E, kite. L. L for lion. L I O N, lion. M. M for man. M A N, man. N for nest. N E S T, nest. O. O for ox. O X, ox. P. P for pen. P E N, pen. P for pen. Q. Q for queen. Q U E E N, queen. R. R for rat. R A T, rat. S. S for sun. S U N, sun. T. T for top. T O P, top. U. U for union. U N I O N, union. V. V for van. V A N, van. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel. Bye bye. See you in my next video.